According to a recent study, the eyelash extension market will continue to grow due to fashion trends and an emphasis on enhanced beauty in less time. Eyelash extensions need to be brushed twice a day, avoided oily makeup and salt water, and dried thoroughly after they get wet. If you want volume, character, or longer lashes, eyelash extensions are the perfect way to draw attention to your eyes, said Ash Santiago, owner and licensed esthetician. As a lash artist, we can create the perfect look that lasts for weeks at a time. Ash Santiago is a beauty specialist in New Jersey offering high-quality and stylish eyelash extensions, professional makeup, waxing, and facial services. Her premier eyelash extension services have been touted as one of the best lash extension services in New Jersey. Click the description link for details on the story. Subscribe for top stories.